box from Influenster, and of course the Palmolive. Let's see if I can get this open. Let's see what's in here. Okay. Oh wow. Okay. Have a $1.50 coupon, and then a little card about the thing from Walmart. Some more coupons. Several coupons for $1.50 off. Ooh. And the first one is Lemon Thyme. Oh, it's sealed. Yeah, it's sealed. And then ginger and white tea, all Palmolive, Fresh Infusions, and lime and basil. So this is what I got from Influenster. Okay, I will definitely be using these. Infuse your kitchen with freshness. Congratulations, you've been in. 5 coupons for $1.50 off. Available at Walmart.